welcome to this week's new release video. I have got 3 collections for you guys. These are the all foil collections. I actually have more of these designs that were ready to go, but I decided to pull it back a bit and just release the 3 for right now. We do have this version that I'm about to show you guys. Also, please still ignore my nails. Obviously, they're still, I can't get them off. We have this version that I'm going to show you guys. I did not print off anything to show you for the deluxe version of the kit, but that is just adding on the Ombre or Heart checklist page of the kit. I am going to change how that's done. Last time we did separate listings. I'm actually just going to add a drop down to add it on to the kit. You still won't be able to buy that page separately, but it'll be like mini or plus that bot, whatever. You guys know what I'm trying to say, I think. So I'm going to do that. Also, like last time, I am going to release these for the weekend for the special price of $12 a kit. I'm gonna keep doing that as long as I feel like we can actually do that and like handle it. Regular price is $15.95. They will go back to that after the weekend, but for the weekend they will be that special price. No coupon codes will work on these. I think that's it. Ultimate Planner Sale orders, we have like 30 left. I thought we could get them all out today. It's gonna take us through tomorrow as well, but they will all be out tomorrow. And that's not just Ultimate Planner Sale, that's all orders, though they've all been in that batch. So anything that's been placed up until like today will all be going out tomorrow. I think that's it. If you guys have any questions, you can ask down below. Yeah, so for this week, what I wanted to do, and this is one reason too that I had so many kits that I could have released, I wanted to reformat some of our best-selling collections from last year. And not even, I don't think some of these are even quite that old, but I wanted to bring them back and bring them back in this new all foil format. Yeah, it's just, I want to move some old stuff out as far as stock goes and be able to kind of keep these things in stock. So these are some of the favorites. And then, like I said, I've got more that'll be coming next week. I just need to see how many we can kind of handle getting out in a certain time frame. But with the sunflower and the stay-in kits, those took us a minute because we did sell so many of them. But I'm hoping that now that I've also worked out some of the kinks with the way that these are done, that we can get through them a little bit faster. Speaking of that, there is a couple of small changes to these. As we continue to mass print these and foil them, I'm able to see more and more what we're continually having problems with, so I'm kind of just updating the kits as we go. This time it's not anything big, and this was also a change that you guys said that you wanted, or well, majority were saying that they wanted. So instead of having the today and the to-do, I did switch it over so that now you have 2 rows of the bow headers here and then 2 rows of the bow with the lines instead of having the todays and the to-dos. A bunch of people had commented saying that they would prefer that, and that's actually easier for me to foil. So went ahead and made that change on that page. Anyway, so this is the Moon collection. This is one of our all-time best-selling kits, and I'm obsessed with it. It's not been in the shop for a minute, so I thought it was a good time to go ahead and bring it back. I also like that it can kind of be used anytime, not necessarily season specific. It does have gold foiling, and I love it. So here is your full box sheet, and then this is your bottom washi and date cover sheet. You've got this really pretty foiling through here that I love. The bows, you got the flags. Nothing else has changed in these kits except for on the box sheet, which I will show you guys in just a second. You've got a daily tracker and a weekly tracker. So those are the first, well, the first and the last page. This is the second page of the kit. And now that I'm looking at it, I don't think I made the change on this one. Maybe I did. I don't think I did though. Oh boy, I'm checking. Yeah, I didn't do it on this particular kit. I did it on every other kit though. Oh goodness. I may go in and update this and it'll show in the listing. So basically what I did, because I'm having a bit of a problem with this box that's pulling all the way to the side, having that bow. I'm gonna show you on this kit that I did update. It's just that these 2 don't have the bow and the center one does instead. That's the only difference. And I'm not even positive if that's going to make a big difference when these get foiled, but just in case, it's just something to try out. So anyway, you've got all of your boxes here. You do have the bow confetti as well as the bows. You have your bow checklist, your ombre bow checklist here. These 2 really cute scalloped, I don't even know what to call those. And then down here are the appointment labels. Those also have the bow confetti, so just tons of foil in these kits. And I love them, and you guys seem to really like them as well. For the Ultimate Planner sale, we had released a couple, and then we had a couple from before, and when we did a pick, or when I did a pick list, I should say, 75% of the orders contained these newer kits. So I'm hoping that means that you guys really like this format. It's another reason I wanted to go ahead and switch, and it's also way easier on me because I'm not doing deluxe, mini, B6. It's literally this, and then you have the option to add on that ombre heart checklist. It makes it way, way, way easier on us over here. It makes it easier on mom as well to foil. So over here, like I said, you have got your bow headers, you have got your washi. The solid does have the foil over it, and then down here at the bottom, my watch is going crazy. Okay, anyway, down here at the bottom, you've got your flags as well as your boxes. So that is the kit format. I'm sorry that I didn't print out one of the ombre heart checklists, but it doesn't have foil. It's just a sheet of the ombre heart checklist, and it will be up on the website for you guys to see. Also, if you're watching this video, these are all up on the website now, and they will, even if it's Thursday, they will already be at that special price. Yeah, so this is the Moon collection. I'm sorry, I feel like I'm already just all rambly all over the place. This is the Moon collection, and then next is Serene, which was another kit. This is like an all-time favorite of mine. So this one has hollow foil. The lighting right now is a bit odd. It might be a little bit difficult to see this. And my camera battery is dying, because of course it is. I'm gonna try to get through these, you guys. Okay, so this is Serene, hollow foiling, and then everything else will be exactly the same, minus that one sheet, like I said, but I think I will probably update the listings to show that that one will be the same way as well. I am going to pull Sunflower and Stay Home from the shop until I can reformat them to not have the box lines. So here is your bottom washi. You've got that really pretty foil floral over here. And then I feel like my light with this is not the best, but yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try to get through this before the camera dies, so if it seems super rushed, that's why. The next one is the Surf collection, and I love this one's super summer, but I love this one. You've got the foiled birds throughout here, throughout all these boxes, and then you have sunshine and tan lines, and then the colors in this one are one of my favorites as well. I think it's such a pretty color palette. Next sheet, and then your last sheet, it says life is better at the beach. Super cute. I love this. Okay, so I think we made it through. So yeah, I hope you guys like this week's new releases. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I will get back to you. These will be up on the website now, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.